is something that allows me to be happy. Like, I'm happiest when the ball's at my feet. And that's all I really wanted, to be fair, since I was really young, just to be a footballer and do something I actually love and enjoy. My friends kind of were more of a social bunch, so they'd like to go out partying and drinking on the weekends and stuff. I realised my love for the sport, changed who I bothered with, and concentrated on football, and that's why I am where I am. I was passionate and driven before coming to the uni, but then USW focused me more, matured me more, and it turned me into the player that's hopefully going to become a professional footballer. I think hard work outbeats talent 100%, because if you're talented and you don't work, what is that worth? I can't really describe the feeling of putting on a Welsh shirt. I honestly can't. It is one of them feelings that you can only feel. Walking out onto the field for my first game, and it gives me goosebumps as a player, and I've got emotional in it, to be fair. It is touching. It's one of them very, very proud moments.